Hey, Chuck Shive here, LMT Onsrud. I want to talk to you about two different router bits that can be used in high production machining of laminated particle board, plywood, hardwood, softwood, and your composite wood. First one we're going to talk about is the Polaris Compression Spiral Series. The Polaris Compression Series is the latest in advancement in compression tool technology. The Polaris Compression Series has enhanced tooling geometry, which improves the cut quality while achieving maximum productivity. This superior coating and performance is achieved through a pre-coating process that ensures durability and maximum tool life. Second bit I want to talk about is the Marathon Compression Spiral Series. Marathon Series is one of the longest running compression tools in the industry due to the innovations in the cutting tool geometry as well. With the addition of this coating, which is formulated to protect the cutting edge from high temperatures generated when routing laminated and composite wood products. Again, this is another great router bit used in your high production runs. In the month of April, we're going to run a special 30% discount off on each. As always, we welcome your comments, questions, feedback. Be safe and stay healthy. I'm Chuck Shive. Thanks for tuning in.